outside Europe actually, is endorsed by the European Union. It supports a European Union recommended standard for the metadata standard for the exchange of research information for research reporting and other use cases. This is called CERIF, CERF, and this is actually the standard used by the official open access infrastructure of the European Union called OpenEarth for the transfer of information from institutional system to the central European Union infrastructure. And Europesis has strategic partnerships with organizations outside Europe that have relevant activities, notably Vivo in the United States, Casper in Canada, and Lattes in Brazil, in Latin America. So this was the introduction to Europis, and then the next step is to announce the Best Paper Award for the conference. And the best paper was by Basil L, and his authors was from the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology for the article called Semantically Enhanced Interactions Between Heterogeneous Data Life Cycles, Analyzing Educational Lexica in a Virtual Research Environment. So I would invite Basil to come down. Besides the certificate, there are some presents for that, and they're quite heavy and quite a few of them. So, actually, the choice has been to not have some presents that are related to science or technology, but related to Greece. So these are high quality material books about Greece. CDs from a famous Greek composer of high quality music called Manos Katsidakis, and some artistic lithographs with the pictures from Thessaloniki.
So thanks a lot to you and of course to the sponsors and for the appreciation of the work. Well done. We have my own performance.
Congratulations.
And next, now I have to say that I am also a member of the Eurocris board like Nikos, but I'm not doing any more marketing about Eurocris again. So I go directly to the best student paper award, and this year this award goes to Konstantinos Makris for the paper Validating Natural History Museums in Natural Europe. You can. Gifts that I believe are all of these gifts. So we'll take it, and then I guess that the contents are similar.
Exactly similar. No, they've got more books because there are 3 students in this paper, so, and we didn't plan that.
And they have to study more than that.
Last but not least, that's the new adding, because first when we introduced these works for the first time, and we hope next year in Germany we'll continue having those. So while the independent reviewers are looking at papers that the chairs actually propose, and then they look the marks and everything, and look again and read all the papers from the beginning, we come across to a paper that it deserved to have an award, but we couldn't classify it. So we classified it as best postdoc paper, and that goes to Andreas Vlachidis, that presented the semantic of negotiation detection in archaeological grey literature. Comes from grey. The present is a lithography. It's an original piece of art. It's numbered, and all the lithographies are coming from Greek well-known painters that they paint the city of Thessaloniki as a map with the monument. Can I open this?
Oh, yes, please. Share the experience, yes.
Because it took us too much time to find out what to give you and we want to share with you. So, you don't mind.
Shall I? Yes, we will. While Manoj is trying to open this, I would like to say that I'm honored by this award, mainly because I used to be a student here in the TE Institute, something like 15 years back.
I didn't know that.
Yes, and to be honest, I never managed to complete. I went to the UK for my bachelor studies. So
That's one of the maps.
Very nice indeed.
So, each of you have a different map. And we're going to issue to all of you a certificate, a proper one, because we didn't know who is going to win what paper. So we're going to do it properly then the next week, and we're going to post it to you. So congratulations.
Yes.
So it's time for lunch. Enjoy the lunch. An announcement, yeah.
So this is Magda Paralis. She's organizing the taste and walk event. She can give you more details now, and you can feel free to ask any questions.
Yes, just 5 minutes because I think you're hungry. Interwalk is a culinary box in Thessaloniki. For the lucky people who are going to stay tomorrow and they have their free day, you are more than welcome to come during the lunch. I will be here for more 15 minutes and I can give you some information. It's 3 hours and it's a way to stroll in the city and eat the city, the history of the city through the food. And I think it's a very nice way if you want to have a little bit of Thessaloniki. Please come to me, I will be here in the secretary desk. Enjoy your lunch.
Can I say that you have a certificate for the lithography? Don't throw it away. It's in Greek and it says that it's original. Keep this.